What's going on, travel fans? It's Ron from RJT Travels, your go-to for all things travel. I am here at the beautiful Sandals Royal Beach in Punta Cana, down in the Dominican Republic, and I'm doing something today that I have never done before. Really kind of excited for it. It's something new. For me, new. I mean, it's been around forever, and that is parasailing. So we are actually going to get to go down on the beach here and get some amazing views of the resort and do some parasailing. That is one of the many activities that you can do here at Secrets Royal Beach. Do keep in mind, it is a separate fee. It's not included with the all-inclusive. It was like $75 for me to do it. So, you know, it's something, if you plan it in vacation, it's part of the fun. But just know it's not part of the all-inclusive, but it is something that you can do down here. I'm gonna give you a... So, we're down here on the beach. Water's gonna be there. Yay! Here. Yeah, there we go, see? Down at the water beach activity. So stick with me here, and we are gonna go down and get strapped up and head out and do some great views on the parasail. So keep with me. Okay, so I switched cameras in case the sound sounds muffled at all. It's in the waterproof case now since we're gonna get on there. I'm on the speedboat. They're gonna take us out to the parasailing boat and then get us all hooked up to go parasail. So it's exciting stuff. Stick with us, and we'll be having some great views here in a minute. Different resorts on the beach line, ocean. This is so cool. Whoa, pick up the wind. Woo!
I think I'm getting pulled in. Nope, never mind. I'm just free swinging over here. Man, that wind hit you. Whoa! Whoa! That wind hit you, man. You just like, you fly. Woo!
So we just got off the boat. Well, I got off the parasail. I'm still on the boat because somebody else is going before they take us back. So I thought this was kind of a good time to do the wrap up and just kind of, I mean, that was super fun. That was something I've never done before, so parasailing was something new. I definitely had a great time. The views up there, as you can see, they were super, super cool. When that wind hit you, man, you spun around a little bit, but overall, it was a lot of fun. So now I'm back on the boat part. Somebody else is out there doing the parasailing, and then they will take us back once everybody is done. So thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for checking this out. If you guys want to go parasailing on your next trip, hit us up, let us know, rjttravels.com. You can call us on our main line. We'll definitely help set you up. We're down here at the Secrets Royal Beach in Punta Cana. Definitely could send you down. And also don't forget to check out my channel. There's a bunch of videos on there about the resort. We did a whole walkthrough. I've got room tours in there. I've got everything you could think of. So definitely check out the rest of the channel and see the bunch of the rest of the videos here. But otherwise, I hope you guys like this. Make sure to hit subscribe if you're not, so that way you can keep following us along on all of our different adventures. But otherwise, until next time, guys, thanks and happy travels.